Please welcome. Yeah, we are live on YouTube as well. Yes, please. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you guys hear me? On YouTube, Discord, everywhere. Yeah, yeah. Yes, starting a live stream now. Let me just go through the indices first. Indices, that's it. What I can to do. Obviously, as expected, this was gonna happen. Here, these equal lows down here. YM, and we have this Kraken correlation. Thank you. We might get the cursor, maybe. Let me check out. But no Kraken correlation in 4 hour. The only Kraken correlation we have is this high time frame Kraken correlation. If we take this low, not yet. So again, this one might also act as well with YM only. So ಕನ್ನಡದವರ ಬನ್ನಿ bro. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ yesterday was Sunday. ನಿನ್ನೆ Sunday bro. Sunday ಬಂದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ. ವಾದ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೈಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ನೈಟ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ನಡೀತಿದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲಸ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ. ಐಲ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯು ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ನೈಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Coming to the indices, let's go to the ES first. ES is kind of important. So yeah, we do have this crack and correlation with ES as well. Okay, ಇದು crack and correlation ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Just post this thing. ಇದು ನಾನು ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಲೈವ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್, basically live trading. So yeah, let's go to the ES. What do we got in ES? ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So look at this, we have C to closure here in ES, but no crack and correlation at this point. We do have crack and correlation with this low, but no crack and correlation at this swing formation around this time here. But I think we can drop down and see if we have anything there. ಅದೇ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಯಾವಾಗಂತ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. You look at the ES and NQ, ES ಮತ್ತೆ NQ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ both are kind of similar, but we do have this crack and correlation down here. Two stage, you can say. This crack and correlation. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Everything is looking good here. We do have this. We might get this change in set of delivery or some sort of gap here. Then we can push still more higher. That's all I'm expecting today. This 10 a.m. candle could deliver to these highs, maybe these relative equal highs in indices. Indices is looking good. Even ES have those relative equal highs up here, so we can push still there. What do we have in YM? Yeah, we do have this crack and correlation in YM as well. So once we close this, we can drop down to some 15 minute and then we can prolongs. ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ಗೂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ಗೂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. Because this is all about indices. Indices is important, basically. The YM is pushing higher, like it's way more stronger than Q and ES. We still do have a lot of dragon correlations here as well. Two stage here. If we get some sort of gap, then 10 a.m. opens and then dips into that gap and we can continue higher and set the low of 10 a.m. below there. instead of this gap. If it just goes on expanding up here, then I'm not going to touch it. ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಹೇಗಂದ್ರೆ indices are looking perfect. And coming to the gold, okay, ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಹೌದು ಬ್ರೋ indices NQ and ES before going to gold, that is bit important to look for indices. Yeah, gold and silver. Gold is bit stronger today. Gold ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ previous day high, both taken previously high. There are 10 p.m., 6 p.m. Okay, this is our day open here, and we already serve of this new day opening gap, new week opening gap, new day opening gap, whatever, because it's Monday, so applies for both. And we do have this crack and correlation inside of this gap. So lower time frame ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ drop down ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 hour ಅಲ್ಲಿ think much in 1 hour because it's just a single candle here. 30 minute, 30 minute. Do we have any crack and correlation? Yes, we do. Low here, maybe it's low. But we need some more confirmations to confirm that. So I'm going to wait. Gold ಅಲ್ಲಿ confirmation ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ wait ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನು. So ನೋಡೋಣ wait ಮಾಡಿ. Plans ಅಂತೂ bullish ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ. The B, RB and oil, some other oils here. CL really just opened and started pumping because of the war. What we had. It's not even actually a daily open. Where did it even open, bro? MGC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಅದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅವೆ. ಸೊ GC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್, MGC ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆ ತರ. So this is our 6 p.m. open, daily open. So this is very trickiest part to analyze here because we have a gap below. We can go push instead of this gap. That's what I think for now at least. We need some sort of track and correlation there. Okay, so we do have this two stage in 1 hour with silver. Sorry, with RB. We do have that one stage up there. But what about This would be so beautiful if this high is taken in HO. Let me check HO. No, we don't have that sweep up there, but we do have this two stage in HO as well. Here, stage in RB. RB is looking pretty good for me because of this two stage. So let's stick with the CL because OH is again bit stronger, weaker to push lower. 15 minutes. Yeah, if we get these changes in favor, we might think of some more bearish prices until here. So yeah, gold ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ wait ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. YM ಅಲ್ಲಿ look at the YM here, guys. YM ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is that? 10 a.m. I'll show you the basic things. 6 p.m. Sorry, not this. Same. Okay, look at this. 6 a.m. ಇಲ್ಲಿ open ಆಯ್ತಾ? How the open high low close can be used. 6 a.m. ಓಪನ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೀ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೀ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಂದ ಬೌನ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. What it did, it had a Kraken correlation. So this Kraken correlation plus this change in state of delivery confirms us that the low is set. ಈ Kraken correlation ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ change in state of delivery ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಈ 4 hour candle ಲೋ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So the next it will expand to the next drawn liquidity. So where is drawn liquidity? Is for now at least. So ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು drawn liquidity meet ಆಯ್ತು. Now we should wait and see how it reacts because once the drawn liquidity is taken, the new phase of price delivery comes in. So that might be consolidation, that might be retracement. Okay. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. We have to wait little bit here. ಬ್ರೋ ಇದು ಗೋಲ್ಡೆ, ಇದು ಗೋಲ್ಡೆ ಬ್ರೋ, ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಮಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಎಂ ಆಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. MGC ಎಂ ಆ ಥರ. Better to wait. You have this crack and correlation down here. So ಬಟ್ ಈ ಡೇಟಾ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ಡೇಟಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Because this is delivered by CME. So it's more real than even other brokers, I would say. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll get some better trades, I would say. You have a clean, very clean liquidity down here. Look at this. Kill these lows. ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗರ್ ಎಸೆಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡ್ರಾಲ್ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವೀಕರ್ ಎಸೆಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವೀಕರ್ ಎಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ರಿಟ್ರೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಟ್ರೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಏನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಟ್ರೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪುಷ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ thing I am looking for here. So if you get a retracement of this candle, like if you get a retracement, if we get a tap into this gap and some sort of bracket correlation, then we can, consider higher because we are leaving these highs here. As as you guys can see, one asset is already cleared those highs. So that's a good thing. Wait and watch. But ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I'll show you something. How to mark out the premium and discount. Low to high of the entire range what I've just found. So the next 15 minutes should be something others to discount zone ಗೆ ಬರಕ್ try ಮಾಡಿ discount zone ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು push ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು higher. I'm not telling that that should happen, but it would be so good if that happens. You'll get a balanced range as well and then, you know, more confidence to push higher. Hold into it. ಹೇಳಿ ಬ್ರೋ ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಹೇಳಿ ಬ್ರೋ. Prime is still looking stronger. Paris still looking stronger. Okay, 30 minutes. Oh, we have a lot of things going on in here. Let's see. The 10 a.m. open. So we are coming from this gap. I don't think so. 10 a.m. will set up very nice high here because others are like straight dumping. So and we are delivering from this change instead of delivery. So if we can get this inter candle CST, then we might push lower. I would say. I think at least this. Yes. See how is 30 minute doing? Yeah, 30 minutes C3 and we are inside of C4. So if we have a drawdown there, C4 might just straight away flush. But let's see. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಗನ್ correlation ಆಗಬಹುದು because of this PSP from here. The gold is kind of looking good. 30-minute two stage, 30-minute two stage, and then 3 minute CIST on reversals with a new candle open. That sounds good. Let's see. We inverted this fair value gap right now, so can't say anything. You guys have any doubts in anything regarding GXT? Guys can ask me here. I'm Indian, so you guys can go in Hindi, English, Kannada, so whichever language you are comfortable in. So that I'll try to, explain in that language. You're not yet getting it. I think we can set a high first or a little bit more and then we can push lower. Look at this closure here, 15-minute closure. Whatever. Let's just look at the volume. Okay, shit, we are missing something here as I anticipated. Crazy. Okay, so we had an entry down here. Shit, we missed it, I think. But let's try to re-enter this. And the problem here is now we met this high. We met this high. So that's a problem. As YM is pushing, we can consider it as we can take it. So I might still miss it. Let's see if we can get that tap once again. Or else I might fuck, or else I might just end up taking trade after the closure above this high. Expecting some kind of chop or anything or any kind of retracement here because we already took this internal high up here. We had that retracement, but I just missed it. One pro. First I have to take it above this changes rate of leveling. No option there. Here an RB. Okay. What are we doing here? You got a good trade though. If we don't get this entry, I'm going to just move it here. No, don't didn't get that close. Okay, so gold. We are getting this change instead of delivering gold as well. But we have another 1.5 minute maybe. So let's see what do we got in gold as well. Thank you. Yes, I don't know. We might get the tab. We might not get the tab. I don't know. Let's hope. See. Oh shit, bro. Missed it again. Come on. I was editing this, bro, so I just missed it. It was very clean. Didn't give a tap. We wicked there, but it did give a tap. Come on, give us a tap. Come on, give us a tap, bro. Okay, we are tagged in. Tagged in an INQ here. So the reason behind of taking NQ longs, even it has met that draw, is because YM is like hell. YM is pumping like hell. So nice roll by even I am looking longs in NQ. Even I'm looking longs in NQ because we had a 15-minute Kraken correlation and good push, good displacement. And YM is like pumping like hell. Okay, so even in gold, we had this, but just bouncing from the opening price. So I prefer waiting a little bit more. Okay, we have this change in state of delivery here, which is pretty nice. So we are going break even here, guys, because we had this change in state of delivery. So next, I would be anticipating this change in state of delivery should hold the price. This change in state of delivery should hold the price. This order block, version block, whatever you guys can say. So once this can happen, it closes. Once we'll get a gap again, and then we can fell higher, or else we can just simply fell higher. Fell, or that's why the block called fell repulsion. Okay, nice. It's free, everyone. In the chat, it's free, everyone. Let's see. Even if we get out at this trade at break even, we don't need to worry. We have the other asset setting up things here. So even we have a 2 minute CST as well. So let's wait. और भाई आप 1 hour ले रहे हो या फिर 2 hour देख रहे हो आज भी? Crazy, crazy, not crazy, crazy, not crazy. 3 minute. 3 minute flip. We need a push higher. 5 minute crazy expansion. Nice. What's 15 minute doing? Yeah. Look at the time. Actually, we should be engaging around this price down here, but I think I missed it. So yeah, I missed it here. So again, things happen. I should be entering it here because this is a 15 minute wick what we formed. Then the 15 minute wick there. So we just let the wick form and we trade the body. So my entry should be something like this. And I missed it here because I was looking for other asset and I had no alert set. So one pullback in higher time frame can take us out. That is a problem while catching the, straight away expansions sometimes. Participating inside, in between of those expansions. For example, ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 15 minute ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೀಪ್ ರಿಟ್ರೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಪ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಸ್ ಔಟ್. मेक श्योर टू लाइक द स्ट्रीम गाइस. ओके, डेमो ट्रेड कर रहे हो, ठीक है. सॉरी गाइस, आई जस्ट टेकनली मिनिमाइज्ड इट. और बताइए राहुल भैया. As I said, this CIST is holding for now. Don't say anything. You can just straight away push back. Transition delivery ಇನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇವನ್ ಹೌದು. Okay, so we are having this two stage. We're having this two stage. We can look for shorts in gold because of these two stage here. For the CIST. Didn't get that CIST, but okay, so we have that 1 minute inversion. See, we get this gap here. We can look shorts in this gold thing, in the gold. I don't prefer taking every trade I'm taking here because I'll be taking only one of these trades in my accounts. So I'm just, live trading here. That's it. Okay, we are still in the trade with the, tick. We might get stopped out till, let's see. Until we'll get a tap in gold, maybe. Come on, gold. Okay, so we got stopped out. We got stopped at a break even here. That's the reason again because of this. Consider even if we are having that SL, at least we will be having like it on break even now. Okay, so we got a tap in gold. Going to keep it on body. Okay,